My dear students, today I am going to discuss section formula of coordinate geometry. This is continuation from my last video which I uploaded 2 days ago. Now in that video I discussed the section formula which is used to find a point which divides a given straight line joining two given points in a certain ratio. The ratio was given, we had to find the point. Now today what I am going to show you is the converse. So in my last video, I showed you how to find the point of division where the ratio was given, ratio of division was given. So today these problems that I will discuss will show you how to find the ratio of division, where the point of division is given. For example, let us see this diagram. So this is a question. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by P. Now AB is a straight line joining these 2 points, minus 6, 10 and 3, minus 8. And this straight line is divided by this point P, whose coordinates are minus 4, 6. But in what ratio? That ratio we are asked to find. Find the ratio in which this straight line AB is divided by P. All right. Now, to solve this kind of problems, we assume let the ratio be K. All right. Let the ratio be K. Now K means what? K is to 1. Now when you say 5 means what? 5 by 1, that is 5 is to 1, isn't it? When you say 5, it means 5 by 1, that is 5 is to 1. So here we are taking let the ratio be what? K. That means K is to 1. So that this part we can call K, this part we will call K, and this part we will call 1. So AP is K and PB is 1. Just like in the last video, in the main section formula, what we had M1, M2. So suppose M1 is K and M2 is 1. So the ratio we have assumed K means K is to 1. Okay. Now, if the ratio is K is to 1, then what will be the point of division? So therefore, coordinates of P will be what? So using that opposite rule, so what will be coordinates of P? So it will be definitely K plus 1, because the ratio is K is to 1. So denominator will be K plus 1 for both the coordinates. And what will be the numerator? Using that opposite rule, K into 3 plus 1 into minus 6. K into 3 is 3K, K into 3, 3K plus 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6. Alright. Then what will be the y coordinate? K into minus 8, that is minus 8K. Minus 8K plus 1 into 10. 1 into 10 means 10. Alright. So P coordinates will be what? 3K minus 6 by K plus 1 and minus 8K plus 10 by K plus 1. Alright. So these are the coordinates of point P using that section formula. But coordinates of point already given minus 4, 6. Therefore, this must be equal to what? This must be equal to what? That point minus 4, 6. So these coordinates we have found out by using section formula. But the coordinates are already given. So this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. Okay. So therefore, what we write? This x coordinate equal to x coordinate. So 3K minus 6, K plus 1, that is equal to what? Minus 4. Okay. And what? This will equal to this. That is minus 8K plus 10 by K plus 1, that is equal to what? 6. So x coordinate equal to x coordinate and y coordinate equal to y coordinate. Okay. So this is P and this also P given. Now by solving this, Now just matter of solution. So how to solve this? So 3k minus 6 equal to minus 4k minus 4, isn't it? 3k minus 6 minus 4k minus 4. So what do you get? 7k. 7k equal to minus 6, that is 2. 7k equal to this. Therefore, k equal to 2 by 7. K equal to 2 by 7. So we got the ratio 2 by 7. That means 2:7. Now solving this again, we should get the same value. So k, we should get the same value. So what do you get? Minus 8k plus 10 equal to 6k plus 6, isn't it? So we get minus 8k minus 6k minus 14k. 14k equal to minus 4. So that gives us k equal to 14 by 4, that means 7 by 2. So you see k equal to 7 by 2, here k equal to again 7 by 2. Now in the exam you can do only one, you need not do both. You can do only one, all right? So it is 7 by 2, this 14 4 by, sorry. So this is equal to 4 by 14, 4 by 14, 4 by 14 minus, that means 2 by 7. So 2 by 7, 2 by 7. So our ratio is what? Find the ratio. So this ratio now we have found out. So that is the answer. What is the answer? 2:7. So the points were given, the line was given, the point of division was given. Only we had to find the ratio in which the line is divided by that point. All right. Now the ratio we assumed k, that means k is to 1. Then using that section formula we found this, and this is given this, so we equate them. Then by solving we get value of k on both the occasions. But in exam you do only one. Okay. So the ratio is 2:7. That is the answer. Okay, let us see another problem. So you can call it converse of what we did in the first part of the section formula. So in that first part we had to find the point of division. The ratio was given, but in these problems today that I am doing, so we have to find a ratio where the point of division is given. Okay. All right, let us see another problem similar. Suppose this is the straight line AB which joins 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 and 8 5. Okay, and the point of division is P, which is 7 3. So the point of division is given 7 3. Then this line joining AB is what? 4 minus 3 and 8 5. Now you have to find the ratio. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by P. So this is A, this is B. So this is the question. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by this point 7 3. All right. So again we assume, so let the ratio be k:1. So let the ratio be k:1. So let the ratio be what? K. K means what? K:1. Okay. Then using section formula we get P equal to what? Opposite rule. So 8k plus 4. 8k plus 4 by k plus 1, and this is also k plus 1. What do you get? K 5k minus 3. 5k minus 3. So 8k plus 4, k plus 1, 5k minus 3, k plus 1. All right. Now this is a point. These are the coordinates of point P using what? Section formula. But that coordinates are already given 7 3. So this must be equal to what? 7 3. So therefore we can equate x coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate. So equating this part we get what? 8k plus 4 is by k plus 1 is equal to 7, and y coordinate equal to y coordinate. That means 5k minus 3 by k plus 1 equal to 3. So 5k minus 3, k plus 1, this 3, and this is 8k plus 4 by k plus 1. Now the question of solving. So solve correctly, what do you get? 8k plus 4 equal to 7k plus 7. Alright. So that means k equal to what do you get? 3. Now solving this, let us see what you get. So 5k minus 3 equal to 3k plus 3. So 2k equal to 6. So that gives k equal to 3. So you see k equal to 3. So whether you do this or this, we get the same value. We must get the same value, k equal to 3, k equal to 3. Therefore, what is the answer then? What is the ratio? 3. 3 means 3 is to 1. So we got k equal to 3. That means 3 is to 1. So this is the answer. So this is the ratio. We have to find the ratio. So that is the ratio 3 is to 1 in which this point P divides AB, which joins these 2 points. Okay. So this is called K method. So we have used K method. There is another method, but this method is little shorter. Okay. All right. So this is the second problem today. Now let us see the third one. Yes, third one is slightly different. So we have to find the ratio again, but this time the point is not given. In place of point, one line is given. All right. So this is the question. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. Divided by y-axis. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. Now, actually, say this is the 2 points are given. The 2 points are given. Suppose this is the diagram. Now, diagram will not be given, and you are not supposed to draw the diagram also in exam. But then, for explanation, I am drawing. Okay. So this is the x-axis. This is the origin. This is the y-axis. Okay. Now these are the 2 points. This is the straight line AB. So this is -1, -4. So this is origin. So -1, -4, and this is 5, -6. 5, -6. So this AB is a straight line which joins these 2 points. AB is a straight line which joins these 2 points. Now you see the y-axis meet this line at this point. This is the point P. This is the point P. So you see the question, find the ratio in which AB is divided by y-axis. So you see y-axis is dividing AB into 2 parts, 2 sections, AP and PB. These are the 2 sections. So we have to find the ratio. All right. So again we'll assume, let the ratio be what? Let the ratio be K. K means K is to 1. K is to 1. So this part we will call K. This AP we will call K, and PB we will call 1. So K is to 1. All right. So this straight line is divided by y-axis. So divided by y-axis. Okay. Now the method is as before. So using section formula, what you get? P. Using section formula, what is P? Yes, opposite rule. K into 5 plus 1 into -1. That means 5k minus 1. 5k minus 1 by k plus 1. 5k minus 1 by k plus 1. And then what is the y coordinate? Minus 6k minus 4. Minus 6k minus 4 by k plus 1, isn't it? So k into -6 minus 6k minus 4. Now this is equal to what? Yes, this coordinate, this P. Now you see, any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. Any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. That means this P is 0, y. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate, suppose y. So this point will be definitely 0, y. X coordinate will be 0 because it is on y-axis. Any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0 and any point on x-axis has x coordinate 0. Isn't it? Any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0 and any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. So here this is y-axis and this point is on y-axis, therefore x coordinate will be 0. So that means it is 0, 0, y. That y has some value, so we need not bother about that. Now you see this part is equal to 0. So x coordinate equal to x coordinate. So therefore what you get, 5k minus 1 by k plus 1 equal to 0. Now by solving this, what you get, 5k minus 1 equal to 0. That means k equal to 1 by 5. That means 1:5. So k equal to 1:5. Alright. Now since we do not know y, so the second part we need not do. So we already got the answer. So find the ratio. Find the ratio. What ratio we got? 1:5, because k value comes to be 1.5. So this point you have to note carefully. X coordinate 0. Why x coordinate 0? Because this point lies on y-axis and any point on y-axis has x coordinate 0, just like any point on x-axis has y coordinate 0. Okay. Okay, now so find the ratio and suppose there is a second part in this type of question, find the coordinates of P. That means the y value now we have to find out. So find the coordinates of P. So that second part of the question, find the coordinates of P. So what we get? Yes, so y equal to what we get, you see this one. So this is y. So y equal to this. So k plus 1 minus 6k minus 4. Now this part you will be doing if you are asked to find out coordinates of P. Now we got x coordinate, but y coordinate we have not found, we haven't got till now. So we have to find out. So that is the point. So what will be y? Y is this one, isn't it? 6k minus 4. Now put the value of k. Put the value of k. What is k? 1 by 5, isn't it? So k is 1 by 5. So put the value 1 by 5. So this equal to minus 6 into 1 by 5. K value is 1 by 5 minus 4. Then 1 by 5 plus 1. Okay. Now let me show here. Equal to, so this is what? This is minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5 minus 4. And this is 6 by 515, 6 by 5. Okay. Then what we get? This we get 5 is denominator, then minus 26, minus 20 minus 6, minus 26, minus 26 by 5. So equal to minus 26 by 5 and denominator is 6 by 5. So 5 cancel, finally we come to, so this 5 cancel, 5 cancel, minus 26 by 6, that means minus 13 by 3. Minus 13 by 3. This is the value of what? Y. So y value what we got? Minus 13 by 3. So this equal to y. So we put y equal to this, and then here we put the value of k, which already we found out, 1 by 5. Put the value and simply calculate it correctly. So you will get y equal to minus 13 by 3. Now we know this point. So what is this point P? 0 minus 13 by 3. So this is the answer if you are asked to find out coordinates of P. So second part of the question is find the coordinates of P. So x coordinate we already know 0. So y coordinate we found out by this way, putting the value of k. So minus 13 by 3. So finally, what are the coordinates of P? 0, comma minus 13/3. Okay. All right. So this was about division by y-axis. So next sum will be division by x-axis. So let us see next question. So we have to find the ratio, and the point of division is not given fully, only one part given. Okay. Yes, now let us see this diagram. So as I told you, diagram is not necessary in exam, but if you draw, it may help you. Okay. All right, now this is the picture you see. This is the diagram. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is a line. This is a straight line. So this point is minus 4, 5. So this point we call A, suppose, and this point B is 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5, this point is suppose B. So this point 1 minus 5, and this point minus 4, 5. Minus 4, 5, 1 minus 5. Okay. Now this means x-axis at this point. So this point, yes. So now this is the question. You see, the question will go like this. Find the ratio in which AB, this AB, this is A, this is B. Find the ratio in which AB is divided by x-axis. Divided by x-axis. So this line is divided by x-axis at what point? At point P. So this ratio we have to find out. Again, we assume the ratio k is to 1. So k, this part 1. All right. So let the ratio be k is to 1. Now since P lies on x-axis, therefore y coordinate will be 0. So we know now the y coordinate. And x coordinate we do not know. Let us put it x. So this point P lies on what? X-axis. Therefore y coordinate will be 0. And x coordinate, just let us put it x. Afterwards you have to find x. Okay. All right. Now as the method says, so we find coordinates of P by section formula. So denominator will be k plus 1, k plus 1. Yes, that part we have to write. Let the ratio be k. That means k is to 1. So using section formula, what is the x coordinate? K into 1. K into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. That means k minus 4. K minus 4, k plus 1. And what is the y coordinate? K into minus 5. Minus 5k. Minus 5k plus 1 into 5, 5 plus 5. So minus 5k plus 5, k plus 1. All right. Now obviously this is equal to what? This point. Which point? x0. Okay. So this point x0 and this point P, this. Now this part equal to this part and this part equal to this part. So now let us find out first this equal to this. So therefore what? Minus 5k plus 5 by k plus 1, that is equal to what? Y coordinate equal to y coordinate, which is 0. Now we get minus 5k plus 5 equal to 0. That means we get k equal to 1. So we got the value of k, 1. So therefore what is the ratio? Ratio is 1 is to 1. K equal to 1. K equal to 1. That means 1 is to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. So this is the ratio. So find the ratio. This is the ratio. 1 is to 1. So this is one answer. Now suppose you have to find the coordinates of P. We have to find now the coordinates of P. Now y coordinate we know 0, but x coordinate we do not know. That we have to find out. All right. Now this is how we can find out. Now this is the x coordinate. So what is the x coordinate? X equal to k minus 4. X equal to this, isn't it? X equal to k minus 4, k minus 4, k plus 1. Now put the value of k. K is what? 1. So 1 minus 4 by 1 plus 1. That means minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2, isn't it? Yes. So x value we got minus 3 by 2. So we got the value of x, minus 3 by 2. Therefore, what will be this point P? The point P will be what? minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So this is the answer of the second part. So second part of the question is usually like this: find the coordinates of P. So coordinates of P, y coordinate already we know 0. Now x coordinate we found out like this, putting the value of k, which is 1. So we got minus 3 by 2. Therefore the point is minus 3 by 2, 0. This is the point. These are the coordinates of P. So first answer, find the ratio, we got 1:1, and second answer, find the coordinates of P, we got this one, minus 3 by 2, 0. Okay. All right. So now the last question for today. So last point for today. Now again we have to find the ratio. Again we have to find the ratio. Now this time the line is divided by not x-axis, not y-axis, but by a given straight line. So we saw the line divided by x-axis, we saw the line divided by y-axis. Now this time, this question is, the line is divided by another straight line. The line is divided by another straight line. So this is the picture. So the 2 points are 3 minus 1, 3. This is the part. This is the straight line. Okay, this point is 3 minus 1. This point is A. This point is A, suppose A, 3 minus 1. And this point B, point B given 8, 9. All right. So find the ratio. So find the ratio. Find the ratio in which AB, this line AB is divided by the straight line x minus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to 2. Now x minus y equal to 2, if you draw a straight line, it will be this way. It will come by this, come like this. This is a straight line, x minus y equal to 2. Yes, you see now. This is a point P. So this is AB. This is the line joining these 2 points. These 2 points are given, AB is given. Now this AB is divided by this line whose equation is x minus y equal to 2. So it is dividing at which point? P. Now you have to find the ratio. Now P is given. P is not given. Now we have to assume Pxy. Yes. Now find the ratio. This is a question in which AB is divided by this straight line. So point P coordinates not given. Only what is given? Yes, that equation of the straight line given. Okay. Now as usual, we'll assume the ratio k is to 1. So you see now, this is the first part AP, and this is the second part BP. So we'll assume k is to 1. So this part k, this part 1. So k 1. So this is AB. So let the ratio be k is to 1. So this is k, this is 1. So now P equal to what? P equal to, as the rule says, so k plus 1, k plus 1. So what it will be? X coordinate will be k into 8, 8k, 8k plus 3, 8k plus 3, 8k plus 3. Using the opposite rule, you see, k into 8, 8k plus 1 into 3, 3. And the second part will be k into 9. Y coordinate will be k into 9, 9k. 9k plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 9k minus 1. 9k minus 1 by 9k minus 1 by k plus 1. And this is equal to, yes, that point P whose coordinates are x, y. Okay. All right. Now, so let us equate. So we'll equate x equal to this. So therefore what? X equal to this. So x equal to 8k plus 3 by k plus 1. 8k plus 3 by k plus 1. And what is y equal to? What is y equal to? This part, isn't it? Y equal to 9k minus 1 by k plus 1, isn't it? So x coordinate equal to x coordinate, y coordinate equal to y coordinate. Now what we have to do? We have to find the value of k, isn't it? Now these are the values of x and y. X is this and y is this. Now this is the equation. So what we do now? We put these values here, because you see, now this point lies on this straight line. Therefore coordinates of p will satisfy this equation, isn't it? So p lies on this straight line whose equation is this. The coordinates of p must satisfy the equation. Coordinates of p must satisfy the equation. Now what are the coordinates of p? Coordinates of p, this one, you see, this one. So this must satisfy the equation. That means these two values must satisfy the equation. Therefore what we do? We put these values in the equation. So x minus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to 2. So we put the value now. Yes, we put the value. X equal to this one. 8k plus 3 by k plus 1. This is x minus y. Y is this one. 9k minus 1 by k plus 1. So this is equal to 2. So equation was x minus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to 2. Now we found out x and y in terms of k. So we put this x minus y equal to 2. Now see, only unknown variable is k. By solving this we can find out k. So how will you solve? Yes, let me do it here. So equal to, now denominator k plus 1, common denominator. What will be a numerator? 8k minus 9k, that is minus k. So that part you have to do correctly. 8k minus 9k, so minus k, then plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. So minus k plus 4, minus k plus 4, all right. That is equal to k plus 1, that is equal to 2. So this part equal to 2. Then minus k plus 4 equal to 2k plus 2. Therefore minus 3k equal to what? Minus 3k equal to minus 2. Minus 3k equal to minus 2. Therefore k equal to what? K equal to what do you get? K value, what do you get? 2 by 3. So minus minus cancel, k equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3, that means 2 is to 3. So this is the answer, you see, k equal to 2 is to 3. So find the ratio. What ratio we got now? The answer is 2 is to 3. So this one. So find the ratio, we got the answer. That means this is 2 is to 3. All right. Now if you have to find the coordinates of this point, then here you will put the value. So k value, what you got? 2 by 3. So you will put the value and find out. Okay. All right. So I think this part you have understood. Okay then, that is all for today. Thank you.